Okie dokie. This is our second ride on Cobra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, arm wrestling.
Se om Flor, han må komme.
Flor lige der.
Hej Flor.
Hej.
Wow.
Jeg havde lige glemt.
Hej Flor. Jeg ved ikke, hvor stejlt op man kommer, når man sidder forrest. Okay, vi kommer vist helt op.
Ikke helt. Nu kan se, man kan se det i auto her.
Ah, this is so creepy, dude. Jo, vi er så stejlt, som man kommer. Så nu kan du mærke hang-time alligevel. Wow! Wow! That's good! Whoa! Whoa! A bit of an inverted air time. Oh shit! Oh, that's so intense! Oh, what? Oh. Oh. Det er sindssygt! Jeg skal have en pause.
Ja, også fine. Luxury-pause.
Ja. Måske lige en sodavandspause også. Oh, this is
so sketchy. We've never ridden anything like this.
This is our first ever ride on Cobra. We're second to back.
And it's the first ride on a Pax.
Yes. It's very rare for me to be the slightest nervous. Oh, the locking is very steady.
That was the catch car catching on.
Fuck, that was sketchy. What the fuck is this?
Yeah. At least the good thing is, track was made by the same people who make Intimate. Oh my god, okay, the hang time is insane. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it's beyond vertical. Yeah. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god, this is...
What the fuck is this?
This is insane. Holy shit. Holy shit.
What the fuck?
Oh.
So...
Drop, please drop. Drop now.
That was fun!
That was nuts! Oh my god!
I like that thing!
Oh, that was exhausting! What? I am shaking! Oh, that was so wild!
I really like that!
That was rough.
Yeah, it was rough, but it wasn't painful.
Not really. There's kind of nauseating with the backwards.
No headbang, because the restraints was the problem. That was very fun.
Restraints are just fine. Okay, only back row ride. Oh, well, backwards ride, I guess. Oh my god.
So unangenehm, Alter.
Oh my god.
Ey, ich gehe direkt auf euch, wenn ich runtergehe.
Nein!
Oh. Wow, this is weird. This is like being in a instrument gyro swing. Okay, here we go. Woo! Ah! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! meget mere sindssygt den anden vej. Ja, det gør det. Og igen, så er jeg fuldstændig...
I'm